You can follow along with me on the bottom of page 224 of your textbook. This is letter A. The problem states 49.3 divided by 7. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about estimation. We talked in an earlier lesson about estimation, and it's going to be similar to what we do now, today. This lesson can get a little bit tricky, so make sure you follow along and are taking notes. If you have questions, make sure to bring them to class the next day. There are two ways to approach this problem. The first way is 49.3 divided by 7. What can we estimate that number to? So, if we want to estimate 49.3, I would estimate that down to 49. Looking at this, I realize that 49 divided by 7 is an easy problem that we already know. To solve this, we would put the 49 inside the sign, and then we put 7 on the outside. 7 divided by 49 gives us 7. So our answer would be about 7. Remember, we are estimating. Another way we can do this problem, if it's not easy to see what to divide the 7 into, would be to list out some of the factors of 7. So, to do this, I would start with saying 7 times 1 is what? 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Let's skip to 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Remember, we are trying to get close to 49.3. We want to find a good estimate for 7. So let's continue. 7 times 6 is 42. We are getting closer to 49.3. Let's try 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Let's try one more. 7 times 8, which gives us 56. So, of these solutions, what factor should we use to get us closest to 49.3? Well, when I look at this, I see 7 times 7 equals 49 would be the closest we can get. So, let's try this. We are going to take 49.3 and round it to 49 as we saw over here. Next, we're going to divide that by 7. So, once again, we would put the 49 inside, 7 on the outside. 7 divided by 49 is 7, which again, we made right here. So, our answer would be again about 7. Either way you do this problem, whether it be this way or this way, you will get the same answer. Remember, this is estimation, so every answer won't be exact. You can follow along with me on page 225 of your textbook. This problem can be found at the bottom of the page. It is letter D. Our problem states 54 divided by 9.16. We're supposed to use estimation to solve this problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is look for our decimal. Our decimal is 9.16. I want to round 9.16 to a number that goes evenly into 54. So let's look at some numbers that go into 54. Let's start with some simple numbers. Let's try 54 divided by 2. This gives us 27. 27 is a little too high when we're looking for something that's close to 9.16. So let's continue down. Next, let's try 54 divided by 9. Well, 54 divided by 9 gives us 6. So, 9 is actually close to 9.16. So I should round my 9.16 down to 9. When I do this, I get the problem 54 divided by 9. Putting the 54 inside and the 9 on the outside, we get the answer to be 6. So, when we estimate 9.16 down, we get our answer to be 6.